Hey everybody, welcome back. Let's do some practice roll today. Start off with the 3-6-2-3. Nine, that's a forward rotation, that's why it looks like that. You gotta practice as much as possible so you can stay fresh in your mind with the combinations and sets and backward rotation, hard 10, to see what comes up all the time. If you slack off on your practice, you'll start to forget what set does what and what numbers it hit for you. Forward rotation, 11. Six, 5. Backward rotation, 10, 6, 4. Backward rotation, 8, 6, 3, 6, 2. If you've been following me for a while, you'll notice that my rolls, the dice are traveling together more tighter than before when it started. That's just over the time of practice. You'll develop that too. 8, 6, 2. Five, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5. That's a forward rotation. 6, 2, 4. Two, 4, 6. We're at the 8th row. This is where the 7 usually pop out. 8, 9, and 10 row. So you just gotta be careful. Try not to push it. That's why you gotta know your SOR for your set that you're using. 6, 1, 5. Now this is the 9th row. It'll be the 10th row in this one. This is when I usually shut my bets off because there's a high probability of the 7 showing up under the 10th row. Let's hope for the best. 8 the hard way. 4, 4. This is the 11th row. Pay attention to your grip. 9, 4, 5. Okay, point made. let's not push that set. Let's go into the 6-4-5-4 set. Try to hit the outside numbers. Three, 1, 2. Two, 1, 1. Seven out, 5, 2. The button's still off, so we're still our row, but we lost out on the all tall, all short. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 row. Okay. So let's see how far we get in this game set. Still our row because the 7 fell out at the right time, but we lost all that. We'll reset all that. Let's start off with the 6-3-3-6 set. Try to hit some field numbers and hopefully we'll reset that all tall, all short. For the hard way, 2-2-4. Points 4. If we had that earlier, we would have made it all short. Six, 1, 5. Roll chip. Five, 3, 2. Just keep up your practice. 9, 6, 3. Twelve, 6, 6. Seven out. This time we're really out because the buttons were off. So 2, 4, 5 row plus the previous row, 13, 15. So that's 15, 18, 18-ish. It's okay, not bad. Hope you enjoy the rolls. Take care.